Hi guys, welcome back to Fil-Am Brothers, and Thanksgiving is coming up, and one of our favorite Thanksgiving dishes is cranberry sauce, and today we'll be showing you how to make homemade cranberry sauce. And we always make our cranberry sauce. We never buy canned cranberry sauce. So the first thing we're going to do is going to put 4 cups of water, so right there, that is 2 cups of. And here's another, we're pouring another 2 cups. And now what we will do is put some sugar in there and let the water boil with the sugar. Okay, now, so we'll go ahead and put 4 cups of sugar in here. The amount of sugar you put in just depends on your taste. I mean, if you want your cranberry sauce to be sweeter, then you can just put more sugar in there. But if you want your cranberry sauce to be more tart, then you can put less. It just depends on your level of taste. So we now have added our 4 cups of sugar. We'll now go ahead and stir it. And once we're done stirring this, we'll let this come to a boil. Then after that, we'll put our cranberry in the can. So here are our cranberries. So we're going to go ahead and wash them. So we're going to pour our cranberries into this bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and just wash these. So now we have our water boiling. We're going to go ahead and add our cranberries. So we have 5 cups worth of cranberries here in this bowl. So we go ahead and add them. And then we're going to let the cranberries boil. So now, as you can hear the cranberries popping. So what we're going to do, we're going to let these cranberries boil until they're soft, and then we're going to stir them every once in a while. Alright, so this has now been boiling for about 30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and take the lid off and see how it looks. Alright, so there it is. So that looks about done. So what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and stir this a little bit more. And now we're going to let this simmer. So, cranberry sauce is about done. So our final measurements were 4 cups of water, 5 cups of sugar, and 8 cups of cranberries. So we're going to go ahead and take this off. That is hot. And as you can tell, this is really soupy. What we're going to go ahead and do is turn this off and let it cool down. And once it cools down, it'll thicken. And it'll taste better once it thickens. So we'll come back to you guys when it cools down. Okay, so we've let this cranberry sauce cool down for a while now. So let's see the consistency. See, it's a lot thicker than it was earlier when it was hot. So yeah, the best thing to do is when you're making this is to let it cool down and let it become thick, because it tastes the best that way. Alright, so that'll be it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed this cranberry sauce tutorial. Alright, bye now.